All right, so let's see. So yesterday, remember I said we were likely gonna go back to this 67.90. Then we had, so after having that spike down, now we had the opposite, right? Like we have a spike up, distribution up here. So again, spike rules, but you know, opposite of yesterday. If you look at the difference on how the overnight session was versus the RTH session, see how this overnight session kept trading inside the spike, but now we're opening kind of above that distribution, which tells me that we're likely going to still have dip buyers until if we get back to the bottom of the spike. But one thing to note for today is that, well, first of all, we're holding above the previous week's high, right? After failing to break lower. We did hit that 68.11 overnight. But one thing that's important to note is that the call wall moved down, right? We had it all the way up here at 68.48. Now it's at 68.22. So to me, this is telling me that this market is getting ready for a pullback. I don't know if it's gonna be today, but this is more like a feeling kind of thing that some kind of pullback is going to be coming soon. I could be totally wrong, so don't take there's no trading advice at all. But you know, it's getting a little tighter. If we do break this 68.22, then we might squeeze because this should be strong resistance, at least for today. Of course, if we keep pushing against it, then you know we finally break. This call wall will likely have to be adjusted and move higher at one point. So initially, I would look for a reversal here. If we come back into the range, then I look for a move back down through yesterday's value, which is from 68.04 down to 67.89, which is value area low, and we have 67.90, which is the 5-day point of control. That if we keep putting volume here, this 20-day point of control could shift up here. If we break below it, trade through the spike, then the target should be 67.64, which is very close to the low, and it's this high volume node. So this could be an interesting point if we get here, because you're gonna have traders taking profit from shorts. Then you're gonna have people that are looking for this to break, for this down move. Whoever got short here and didn't cover yet, they're gonna be taking advantage of uncovering here, or if they don't, and then we keep moving lower, then it could get ugly pretty quickly. Because look at this. Like, this market is clearly trying to figure out what to do next, right? And then the scenarios below, like same as yesterday, this support, this low volume area, if we break it, some minor support at 67.20, and if not, the 67.10 point of control. And then from there on, then we have to I have levels up all the way till here, but from below that, then I have to look again, because I don't think we're gonna get there today. let's see, NQ was pretty strong yesterday. You could see the rotation into tech early in the morning. That target at 25,325 got hit at the end of the day, and look where the point of control from the overnight session is, right there. So this target is done. So what I'm looking for today with NQ is, you see this low volume node here, 300, that's the overnight low pretty much, and value area high is here at 280. So if we get inside value, if we don't bounce and keep this move going, and if we accept below it, then I'm going to be looking for a move down to retest the previous week's high, and probably look for a bounce around there. But if we break it, then we can move all the way down here to this point of control that was untested, coincides with this high volume area. So 25,040 would be the target to the downside. Let's see, Crude has been having some nice moves. It's still holding this uptrend. Still didn't get to that 64, but it's the third time that we're attempting to get through this 20 daily moving average. So I think that it's gonna break soon. The 90-day point of control is here. So looking for that to break and then move into the 63, 50, 63, 60 area. Gold tested this low volume node, the 4020 I mentioned yesterday, so bounced there. Now looking to make new highs, looks like it. And we started seeing some earnings. Pepsi reported, and now we have some more coming up next week. And let's see, today we have some Fed speaking, and then we have the 30-year bond auction at 1 p.m., which is probably going to have some moves around that time. That's about it for today.